Good morning friends. Last period we see errors in the measurement. Mainly we see the two types of error and the three subtypes of the systematic error. Now we have to see estimation of errors. Suppose that for the reading of some physical quantity, the readings are taken repeatedly as A1, A2, A3 up to AN are the readings taken repeatedly for some physical quantity. Then the mean, arithmetic mean of all the readings can be given by A mean is equal to A1 plus A2 plus A3 plus up to AN upon N, or this can be written as it is equal to 1 upon N summation of I is equal to 1 to N AI. This is called as mean value or arithmetic mean of the given readings for a physical quantity, and this is known as most probable value of the given physical quantity. दिलेल्या physical quantity ची ही most probable value होईल. Now we have to see what is meant by absolute error. Absolute error is the magnitude of the difference between mean value and each individual value. For example, for A1, the absolute error delta A1 for A1, the absolute error delta A1 is equal to magnitude of A mean minus A1. For A2, the absolute error is given by delta A2 is equal to A mean minus A2. Similarly, for AN, nth number of reading AN, delta AN is equal to A mean minus AN. These are called as absolute error. Means absolute error is defined as it is the magnitude of, absolute error is the magnitude of mean value and each individual value. This is called as absolute error in the observations. Now we have to see mean absolute error. Here the arithmetic mean of all the absolute errors is called as mean absolute error, and therefore the mean absolute error delta A mean is given by delta A mean is equal to delta A1 plus delta A2 plus up to delta AN divided by N, or this can be written as 1 upon N summation of delta AI. I is equal to 1 to N. This is called as mean absolute error. Means mean absolute error is defined as it is the arithmetic mean of all the absolute errors. All the absolute errors are जो कि arithmetic mean है, that arithmetic mean is called as delta A mean. Now we have to define relative error. Now we have to define relative error. Relative error is equal to delta AM upon AM. Here relative error is the ratio of mean absolute error to the mean error. जो काही मीन ऍब्सोल्यूट एरर आहे आणि मीन एरर आहे, सॉरी अरिथमॅटिक मीन, या दोघांचा रेशिओ इज कॉल्ड ॲज रिलेटिव्ह एरर. रिलेटिव्ह एरर इज द रेशिओ ऑफ मीन ऍब्सोल्यूट एरर टू द मीन व्हॅल्यू, or arithmetic mean is called as relative error. And if relative error is measured in terms of percentage, then it is called as percentage error. Is equal to delta am upon am multiplied by 100%. Means if the relative error is measured in terms of if the percentage of the relative error is called as percentage error, or percentage error is equal to delta am upon am into 100. This is called as estimation of errors. Now we have to see combination of errors, and in combination of errors, first we have to see error in sum and difference. Suppose that there are two physical quantities A and B, and their measured values are A plus delta plus minus delta A and B plus minus delta B, where delta A and delta B are the mean absolute errors in A and B respectively. Now we have to see the absolute error in the resultant of the sum and difference Z. Therefore Z we can write for sum Z is equal to A plus B, or we can write Z plus minus delta Z is equal to A plus minus delta A plus B plus minus delta B, or this can be written as Z plus minus delta Z is equal to A plus B plus minus delta A plus delta B. Here delta A plus minus delta A plus minus delta B, where delta A and delta B, delta A plus minus delta B is the absolute error in the measurement of Z, that is delta Z, or we can write delta Z is equal to plus minus delta A plus minus delta B. Now for difference, we can write this implies Z is equal to A minus B, or it can be written as Z plus minus delta Z is equal to A plus minus delta A minus B plus minus delta B, or this can be written as A minus B minus plus minus delta A plus minus delta B. Here delta Z again equal to delta Z again is equal to plus minus delta A plus minus delta B. That means for the mean for the absolute error in Z there are four possible values. And the maximum value of the absolute error is delta A plus delta B plus delta A plus delta B. this is the possible maximum value in the measurement of the error, absolute error in the measurement of Z. That means in both the case, in sum as well as in difference, the error in the measurement of resultant, error in the absolute error in the measurement of Z is equal to plus minus delta A, or it is equal to sum of the absolute errors in the individual values, or we can write delta A plus minus delta B. That means the resultant error, absolute error, is equal to the sum of the absolute errors in the individual values, individual measurement, and this is the error in sum and difference. In next period, we have to see error in multiplication and division, and also we have to see error in the powers. Thank you.